All right, here's the 2023 Vitus. Got some carbon trail 1. I cut them down to 760 with some ergon GA2, I believe. And then I swapped out and put XT, the 4-piston brake lever on it. On the other side we got the same, and then I did keep the pike, but I did upgrade the air valve, and then tires are kept the same. Everything I believe in the front is all still the same. I believe that's 180 rotor, and again there's the XT, the 4-piston, that's the Debonair Plus. And then moving on, we have the dropper, the one that comes stock, 125 mil. I believe it's a 30.9. Correct me if I'm wrong. Sorry about that. And that's the RockShox Super Ultimate Deluxe that I swapped out for the other one. And then this one here is this Race Face Atlas with the Race Face Ride, I believe, for the crank 170. Then we move on to the SLX along with the XT, derailleur. Everything else pretty much is stock. Got the Hans in the back. They're soft, very soft material. And then everything else, just the XT in the rear. So this bike, I will be taking it out to Levis Mound. First time going out there, first time for the season. So remember to stay tuned and let's see us ride. Levis Mound. Smooth. It playful for sure. Shifting under load. I'll do the uphill climb first. Suspension feels good. Drivetrain feels good. That first little jump I went over was comfy. First time out of the year. Alright, wait till we get to some downhill. Pedal bob. Not so much. Oh! Let's go! I don't have it on lockout. Dang! Ruts. A lot of sand. I have all the all my springs and everything are adjusted to spec with RockShox
see if I have to adjust it first time out. Oh. You guys just get all the fun action going downhill. I think the dropper post 125, I think 150 would be better. Dang! I hate climbing up hills. This is the upper Hermosa. Oh dang.
I guess they haven't been out here yet.
Nope. Very flowy. I haven't seen any feature. Uphill. Rated pretty good uphill. 12-speed helps. Here we are at the mound. Let's go check it. Shot, dude. That was a nice view though. Somewhere. Here we are at the top of the mound. Woo. There's a bike path through here. Yeah, I guess it's a long way. All right, time to head back down. Oh, I did pedal strike a little bit there. Wasn't ready for that one. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, they haven't groomed this yet. Oh.
I think it'll be more fun if all this stuff is clear.
I just want to say, after I hit that pine tree, that branch, I'm sorry my camera got knocked down. I know that most of you guys were probably hoping to see some downhill action. Most of it's just going to be seeing my bike and maybe some suspension movements. But again, I'm very sorry and you came this far. So just watch. All in all, I think this bike handled fairly well, uphill and downhill overall. I think the 65.5 does help with the climb. And then downhill, I did end up upgrading my rear suspension to the super ultimate, or the RockShox Super Deluxe Ultimate with the lockout. And I also did change, as you can see, my handlebar to carbon, and I didn't have any wrist issues or any of that affect after this. The bike fits fairly well for me for a medium. Again, I'm probably 5'7", and this bike fits decently. So that's pretty much it for this bike right here. Levis Hill was a lot of up climbing, a lot of XC, and I think I have to go hit a bigger, more features for sure. So stay tuned, and remember to hit that like and subscribe.
We're back.
And till then, take care.
Woo.